Today is the day before the 4th of July, and we did go over and see Joel for a little bit, and we actually helped him get one window in. And by help, I mean we, not really helped. The kids have been really wanting to come over to the reservoir, and so here we are. And we've never done like a walk-in. We've never walked down this path. So,
You notice the no beach is literally just grass?
Well, that's a good thing because that means we've got a lot of water.
Yeah, that's like...
And we have needed it, so.
But most years, it's like you have to walk down the beach like along.
Plus, the beach here is so rocky that it's kind of nice that we won't have to walk on the rocky beach. This is actually kind of cool, walking down the walking path.
There's a sock.
There's a sock, yep.
It looks like one of our church socks, but just black.
It sure does. Feels good in the shade. Okay, the walking path was cool.
Yeah.
I think my kids are not sharing my enthusiasm, but we were so lucky to be able to get a tiny sliver of shade.
Yes.
So we're just having some fruit, beef jerky, and very fresh salsa. This is so delicious. Delicious.
Oh, it's only that deep. Hey, Mom, I bet you.
Yeah, you gotta slow down on the dip.
Mom.
No one else will be able to have any, honey.
I bet you I'm the first one to jump off the dock. I'm not playing chip. Chip! We're good.
Yikes.
Oh, I found a tiger's eye. It's so sick. And a bunch of skipping rocks. If you guys didn't know, I love rocks. And it's cool, it's like green, kind of, and it's really smooth. I like it. I'm gonna skip this rock.
All right.
Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. What are you doing? What's this? No, push out, guys. What is this out?
Don't hug me. Do not hug me. Do not hug me, or you don't have a ride home. Cody, do not shake on me. Just go in the water. Get in the water.
Good old Mountain Dew. Did you guys like my beautiful dive?
What's a Sawyer?
This.
I missed it. Lincoln's body was in your way. I'm watching. Okay, go. Lincoln, you do not push. Link, that's how people get hurt. Come here, look at Mom. Come here. Nope, stop that. Look at me. Lincoln, right? Look at Mom. You don't push because that's how people get hurt. Okay. Okay, don't push. No, answer me nicely. Lincoln, acknowledge what I'm saying.
Look, I'm gonna jump up.
No, acknowledge what I'm saying. Don't push because that's how people get hurt.
Alright, Mom, I'm gonna jump up very high.
You're still not acknowledging what I'm saying. Lincoln, look at Mom. Do not push, that's how people get hurt.
Here's Mom.
Okay.
Mom, you should take a picture of me.
Trying to get situated for the day. Today's turning out much differently than I thought. It's the 4th of July. Look at this. It's the 4th of July, and Joel and I have to, in order to stay with our deadlines, we've got to go to work and get some things done, which obviously, we'll show you. But these kids, they're like, we don't want to go work with you. It's the last day that Will is here. So you guys are going to go with Grandma and Grandpa Hoellein.
What are you guys doing?
I'm going to send you the camera. You guys see what you can get, okay?
Okay.
Boys, will you get a few clips for me?
What? Yes.
Will you get a few clips for me?
Cute.
I mean, you know, I don't know how cute it is.
It's okay.
You are.
I just kind of grabbed things and I was like, it'll work. It's
You
blue.
are so cute. Oh, Olivia, you're the cutest thing I've ever seen. I am obsessed with I am obsessed with you. Today, because it was a holiday, we let ourselves sleep in. Guys, I don't want to show you the mess of this room, but it's fine. I slept till almost 10 o'clock today.
I slept
Feel like a new human.
I'm happy for you. But we also worked until like 9, 10 last night.
At 10.
We left that property at 9 o'clock last night.
So we got home at 10, probably didn't go to bed till like 12.
Yeah. So,
I also made this necklace.
Lady.
be quiet. We have her crate in here because when we had our family reunion, we had to hide her from everyone.
My shoulders are like a coral reef.
Well, so today when you go to the pool, you keep sunblock on. Cody, Clark, that is your job. Your job is, and you know what? You cannot go to the pool without a shirt today. So find a shirt. You're not going to the pool without a shirt on.
You can wear my blue.
You're damaging your skin. You're damaging your skin. You have to wear a shirt at the pool today. And if you don't want to do that, next time you'll wear sunblock.
Okay.
Next time you'll wear sunblock, and then you wouldn't have to wear a t-shirt to the pool. Consequences of my own actions.
Will's going down the slide. Wait 1 second. I gotta get in camera. Yes, Will. I can't tell if I missed it or not. There's Boston at the top. There he goes. You got further than last time. Good job.
And then there's Cody.
Why?
Good. Lincoln Roy, go. Got it. Okay, cool. Go. Okay, so we just barely got back from the pool, and I couldn't really record a ton because it kept raining, like non-stop. The wind was blowing so hard, and the raindrops were so big that it was just like, rah, just going everywhere. And when we got out of the pool, some people had like canopies up, and some ladies, the one snapped, and so like I ran in her and grabbed it and tried to help her. But it was super fun, but like we cleaned up out of our place so fast.
Hi guys, so we just, wait, where do I look?
Don't you have a treat right here?
There. Okay, so we went to the aquatic center, whatever it's called, and then we came back here and we had a dinner. Me and Cody were just playing. We found a stick and we were hitting the ball. And so we came up and show the dessert. A Rice Krispie with chocolate. It's like one of grandma's. Yummy. Such good stuff. And we're gonna light fireworks later. Yeah, we're gonna light fireworks. And what about me? Yeah, and it's been nice. And a lot of families come over. Happy 4th of July, everybody. I'll show you the fireworks. Yep. Bye bye. Bye. No, I was not there. Oh, that hurt. I can't hear from it. Yeah, Lincoln, it's just ringing. Oh my goodness, I can't hear anything from. Oh, that hit me. You okay? You okay, Cody? Yeah, I'm fine. Lincoln, are you alright? Yeah. It tipped over. Like that.
Okay, so that was the front, and now from the back, you can see all these fireworks. There's some down the road.
Yeah.
Over there.
Sorry about the incident about the fireworks
Yeah.
exploding on us.
So that happened. So the first clip that you saw, Cody got hit, and then there's another fire that. Sorry, I'm messing up. There was another firework that went off. And it was really, really big, and
It hit our neighbor again.
It hit into the field, and the field had a whole bunch of dead grass. So we are so thankful.
No, it didn't hit in the field.
Yes, it did.
It hit the field and the house.
Hit the neighbor right by us, and there.
Wait, so the one that hit the house was like the big finale bang. So
yeah, it was like it was supposed to be our big finale, and it went everywhere.
By there.
Like there was a whole bunch of gas cans around, so we were like, ee. But one hit into the field, and there was a whole bunch of dead grass, and we were so thankful it did not catch fire. Because that happened twice. Twice it has gone in there, and I'm so surprised it did not catch fire. Luckily it didn't. But yeah, so mom and dad are at the house still working. We have so much work that we're getting done for this house, and we are so excited for it to be finished. But this is the year. This is our 4th of July. Sorry, I'm getting sidetracked by all the fireworks. There's like so many fireworks going on. Anyways, but so this will be the Thanksgiving. Oh my God. This will be the 4th of July that Grandma and Grandma Griffiths are on their mission. That Grandma and Grandpa Hoellein lived a mile down the road from us, and the year that we are finishing our house. And if you guys like this video, oh, this is a lot of noise. Hold on, I can't be right by the fireworks. I hope this is loud enough, Mama. If it isn't, I'm sorry. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys are not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, and we will see you guys next time. Bye. We just got done working at the house. I cannot wait for you guys to see the paneled wall video. I'm like transferring the footage to the computer now, but that's what we spent our 4th of July doing, and I literally can't wait for you to see the video. We are on our way to meet back with the kids. Your dad is an absolute saint for watching the kids. I can't wait to see what clips they got. We'll see if they actually got any. But we're gonna make it in time to watch fireworks with them, or to light fireworks with them is what I should say. Don't worry about that. Oh, don't worry about the mosquito. Just leave it. Olivia just threw a moth outside. Okay, a moment for the outfit. Olivia, turn around. Let me see your outfit. Look at her outfit. This is the cutest 4th of July outfit I've ever seen. This is the first time I've seen it today, and I just died. Well, I was wearing a blue shirt, and then it got soaked from the storm that we got caught in. Did you tell Mom? Oh, never mind. Okay, happy 4th of July. Thank you guys so much for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it. Give the vlog a thumbs up. I will put all of the other 4th of July videos in the description for you all if you want to catch up on those if you're new. Okay, goodbye. Good night, everybody.
Mom, guess what happened? My ear.